What's up, legends? On today's video, we're gonna finally get these cubbies filled out. I got a bunch of 3D printed organizers that we're gonna stick into these guys, get everything nice, neat, and tidy. But first, I wanna show you all the stuff that's gonna be going into these cubbies. Okay, legends, so this is all the stuff we're gonna be fitting into these cubbies and into these organizers. And these organizers fit snugly into those cubbies, so it's gonna be nice, neat, organized. And all these things fit neatly into the organizers. So everything should be nice, neat, fitting perfectly. So yeah, we're gonna have our shipping station stuff, 3D printing tools, more shipping station stuff, air cans, isopropyl tape, microfiber cloths, pliers, all this stuff. First, we're gonna install all these guys, all the organizers. We're gonna get these into the cubbies, and then hopefully, if I remember where all these pieces go, we shouldn't have a problem, but let's get these installed first. All right, we're gonna start with this side first, and I think I'm gonna put my 3D printing tools and stuff on this one, so it's easily accessible. It's almost eye level, so hopefully that helps me. And that is going to be these guys. All right, we're gonna mirror this onto the other side here. All right, tool station here. Glue station. And shipping station. All right, and last but not least, cushion lock dispenser. All right, I'm gonna fill these up. I might move them around after they're filled up, kind of see where we're at, but I'm gonna get these filled up. Side note, I went to Ace Hardware yesterday. They were having a 50% off store sale because I guess that store was closing. So I got me a bottle of this stuff, a giant jug for 12 bucks. I'll take it. We are almost out. Don't need that. I think I've got too many markers and pens. This extra random glues that I don't use, super glue little tubes, but I keep them around. And I use these coffee stir sticks quite a lot to glue pieces together. They work out pretty well. Just dunk them in. I use them for the glue because sometimes I need to get the glue into small spaces. The glue comes with like a pretty big like paintbrush. So I dip this in, get the glue to where I need. Ooh, almost forgot the scale. I didn't really make anything for this, but I figure I can just throw it in one of these cubbies here. These are just some bins that I use whenever I'm taking stuff apart and I've got screws and tiny pieces. I put them into these things. I haven't made a little cubby hole for the little deburrowing tips. I need to buy one more deburring tool so I can have one on each side. Do I need that? No. Am I gonna buy one so it's even? Yeah. All right, there you have it, guys. Let's get a closer look at this stuff. right, starting from the top here, we've got our glue station, glue sticks, extra little glue that I've got lying around, Gorilla Glue, gloop, some more Gorilla Glue. I usually just throw this into these, reuse them. Extra screw driver case. This is my iFixit case right here. The electronic one. These are just extra bins for when I have small parts and pieces. I use those. Then down here, we have our station for anything to do with 3D printing, pulling stuff off the plate, fixing the 3D printers. So we've got some nylon brushes. These guys we talked about before. Lubes, greases, Allen wrench, deburring tool, extra deburring tips, and side snips, scraper, isopropyl, air, butane, lighter, and over here, same kind of thing. We just mirrored this on the other side because I have two sides in my room. And then down here is the shipping station, which you saw in a previous video. We've got tape, pens, scissors, side cutter, safety cutter, some extra pens in here, tapes, fragile stickers, masking tape, scale. And that's about it. We got this wrapped up pretty quick. Didn't take me too long. I thought it was gonna take me longer to get this set up. Obviously it took longer to print. So next coming videos, I'm going to make a stand for my camera. Right now I have a DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and my stand right now is a box and a roll of filament to keep it at the right height. So we can do much better than that. I'm gonna design one of those real quick. Shouldn't take too long. I'll go through the design process with you guys if you guys are interested in that. Also going to have some videos coming up on GPU cooling stuff, some phone cooling stuff, and maybe some CPU motherboard type stuff. And those will be in the future. I'm gonna sprinkle in some other content in between. So if you found this video useful or of any value, please leave a like, maybe consider subscribing, and most important, share.